this is my first ever movie, so I really hope you like it. It's a gorilla tag movie, so hope you like it.
Hi guys, how was your day today? Shut up!
Yo, let's do this, guys. What should we do in this arcade?
I don't know. Yeah, we visit here. Anyway.
I'm gonna play Whack-A-Monkey. I'm not sure, dude. I saw the clue.
No, he's infected! Run! Run!
Skedaddle!
Run! Run!
Oh,
He's been infected! Run!
Run, everyone! Run! Please, come on. Go to forest! Go to the
Go!
forest! Head to forest! It's raining! It doesn't matter! Run! Just keep going! Head to beach! Head to beach! Oh my god. Go! No, head to treehouse! Head to treehouse! Go to treehouse! Head to treehouse! Everyone!
Here, I need to look this up on my phone.
I'm getting wet!
No, that's bad. That's bad. Guys,
Yo, pause!
here. What? Run! Just run the beach. Who cares if no treehouse? Treehouse, go to treehouse. And oh, he's not screaming and wailing anymore. Maybe he just tried to scare us. Ow! I hit my.
We all ran from him.
Ah! I hit my arm on a tree. Everybody, get in the corner. I'll keep guard. Should I go back?
I can't believe it's...
Okay. SPC. No! Run!
What the... Get in here.
I'm back here.
What the hell is going on? He's chasing you.
Hey!
I don't know what's going on.
Time to die.
No! Oh my god, what happened? What happened to him? No!
I don't know.
Get off my friend!
Get off! What the? He's gonna... Oh my god.
I'm so done with you!
Push him! Push him! I think it's over.
Go!
Get out! I think he's gone for good. I think he's gone.
Shut down! One. I'm so done with you!
He killed our friend.